there is a movement around developer experience, like DX is, there's a kind of like a microscope coming on. Everyone's realizing, let's like help our
Yeah.
engineers.
What if we apply the
So,
principles of design to our own labor?
right. So let's start there. Why do you think it's happening? Number one. And number two, or so like number one, why is there a focus on like DX now? And
Yeah.
two, if you know, like what are some of the areas people are focusing on for developers to help them?
Well, I think, do you remember reading the Stripe developer report a couple years ago?
Yeah.
It was like this report where they surveyed like tens of thousands of engineers, and they're like, how do you spend your time and everything? And some of the astonishing findings that came out of it were like, for example, developers self-report that 42% of their time is wasted on bullshit. Like it's like stuff that, I think of a
Yeah.
high performing team as one where most of the people most of the time are getting to like solve interesting new problems that move the business materially forward, right? And lower performing teams might have just as good of engineers or better, but they spend most of their time doing everything else. All the shit that you have to do in order to get stuff you want to do, or like trying to repro your bug, or trying to figure out what's going on, or like, struggling with CI/CD, or like all the other stuff that is not solving interesting new problems that move the business forward. And
Yeah.
and like if 42% of our developer cycles are the scarcest resource in every technology organization, right? Every single one of us is like, where do we spend our scarcest cycles? And if we're wasting half of them, well, shit. That's like a really easy place to start looking, like to. And the thing is, it makes it better for everyone. Like every step every step of developer experience that we improve makes your job more fun and interesting. It's better for the company because you're spending more time on interesting problems that make a difference. It's better for, the trickle effects. It's better for everyone. And so why has it taken this long? Right.